तो जी दोस्तों, क्या हाल है, क्या हाल है, क्या हाल है। आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग रियली रियली वेल। दोस्तों, वेलकम टू दिस अमेजिंग वीडियो जहां पे मेरे साथ है हमसा गायत्री, जिन्होंने अपने सीए फाइनल डायरेक्ट टैक्स में 82 मार्क्स स्कोर किया है। और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 49 भी ला है। पर सर ये तो ठीक है, इसमें अपना यहाँ पे इनको बुलाने का एक खास रीजन ये था, ये उन बच्चों के लिए है खास करके जो बेसिकली बहुत दूर का प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, जो शायद अभी सीए इंटरमीडिएट क्लियर कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारी प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं। आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड टू नो द शेड्यूल दैट शी हैड फॉलोड. So before I introduce Hamsa Gayatri, let me tell you two things about her. Number one, her exam was in 2025 September and her first time course पूरा 2024 में खत्म हो गया था. दूसरा, उन्होंने ऑफिस से ब्रेक लेने के पहले अपना प्रेपर एक बार फर्स्ट रिवीजन खत्म कर लिया था. जो हम लोगों के लिए नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल होता है, हम सारे बच्चों का ये रहता है एक बार ऑफिस ढंग से खत्म हो जाए, उसके बाद पहले क्लासेस खत्म करेंगे, फिर फर्स्ट रिवीजन करेंगे, फिर दो रिवीजन और करेंगे. बट एनीवे गाइस, कुछ सीखेंगे हम इस वीडियो में आज हमसा गायत्री से. तो हमसा, वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड वेलकम टू दिस सेशन. कैसे हैं आप? कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड योर सीए जर्नी अ लिटिल बिट?
So first of all, for me, it's a great opportunity to speak with you one to one, sir. I
थैंक यू सो मच
listen
बेटा.
some of the interviews which you conduct. So I think one day I must speak with you one to one. So today is that day, sir.
Oh, that is lovely. Can you tell us about you, Hamsa, and what about your CA journey overall in short?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Okay.
On my CA journey, I have completed CA Foundation and CA Inter in first attempt. I didn't secure rank. I tried in CA Inter, but luckily I got in CA final due to my perfect strategy.
Okay. Okay. So, can you broadly tell us what was your strategy for CA final?
For CA final, my strategy is first to complete classes as early as possible. Even though if we get amendments, we can cover it in amendments video.
So, I'll tell you guys, the classes that she had purchased to finish was a regular batch for direct tax, which was as per Finance Act, I think 2023. That classes she purchased when she had to appear for Finance Act 2024. बट डिस्पाइट दैट व्हाट शी डिड वाज, फाइनेंस एक्ट 2024 में मैं आपको बता दूं बहुत सारे अमेंडमेंट्स थे. डिस्पाइट दैट व्हाट शी डिड वाज शी वॉच्ड द होल लेक्चर्स, then saw my amendment videos and understood that amendments for herself, noted it down, made the changes in the question bank. I think you got the new books also, right? You got the
Yes,
new books also, and then did
yes.
self practice and was able to manage it very well. So I think that is what I know. Can you tell me again?
YouTube free revision lectures, sir.
Okay, so you also followed the YouTube revision lectures. Which one? The Scribble one? Did you watch the Scribble revision by any chance?
Yes, able revision. I have watched so many times, sir, two or three times every video.
Okay, and how was your overall strategy for direct tax, Hamsa? Because direct tax for a both group student, it becomes very difficult to manage that huge subject in 1.5 day. So, what was your strategy
Yes.
for that?
During my first revision, I have done written practice for every question and marked the important ones. And the thing about your book is, you have covered the important adjustments in your material itself,
Correct.
which we may not find new in doing the sums. That helped me very much, sir, which is not covered in other books. That is beneficial in your book, sir. And
So,
from
for those
second, third,
students for
yes,
those students who don't know, so basically what I have done is, in the question bank, in bigger questions you'll see smaller adjustments. That one adjustment, for that adjustment, instead of doing whole question, that one adjustment will be written in our main book, so that in that main book when you're revising you will be able to revise that question also in just 1 or 2 lines, right? So that helped you. But how did you overall plan that 1.5 day?
that 1.5 day only by reading my highlighted points. That's it, sir.
From the summary book?
You have already, yes, sir, from summary book.
But even if your highlighted points, as in you didn't read everything from summary book, just limited things from the summary book.
Yes, sir, only limited things.
Okay, and you were you able to refer to the question bank?
For few chapters, that too I have in the last page you have left blank page, sir. There I wrote some important points. I have revised only those points.
Oh, I think this is what All India Rank 3 Kinjal Ajmera, she also did the same thing. What she did was at
Yes,
the end
sir.
of the question bank, They wrote down all the important points. I think that is a game changer. And there, on the day before exam, that is the only thing that they could see. But apart from that, do you think
I
it is
learned
able,
how
it is
to.
possible? Yeah, tell me.
I learned this point from her interview only, sir.
Oh, so you learned from that interview, you and executed it. Wow. So I think this gives me comfort that actually interviews are helping and helping to for students to learn something new. So, Hamza, tell me something. Is it practically possible to revise 1.5 day में पूरा 100% syllabus? So guys, I think lag आया. So Hamza, can you reply again to my last question? My question was whether direct tags, how is it practically possible to revise that huge subject in 1.5 day? And if yes, what strategies should the
No, sir.
student make? How should they plan it?
Right from the first, they should prepare what they have to prepare in 1.5 day. They should. We should make marks, highlight points, and LDR.
Okay, you should
I
have your
have
own
prepared.
LDR.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
LDR.
can you tell us your sequence of revision? How which chapters did you revise in what sequence, if you remember?
Capital gains, PGBP. This covers major parts, sir. And
So
then
this
next,
you
right.
revised in the half day. In after your audit paper, what did you revise?
Yes, sir. These two chapters, and small IFOS
Okay, in the evening itself.
in the evening itself.
Okay, next day, what did you do?
I followed just your index, sir.
Okay, and you went in the sequence of the index.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what did you do on the day of exam? In the morning, what did you do?
MTPs, RTPs, and I have prepared one Excel sheet of all the dates and days, sir.
Oh, so I think if students, a lot of students will comment Excel sheet, I will ask you for the Excel sheet, and if you're comfortable, I'll share it with them so that they can also use. But apart from that, Hamza, I think there are some internet issues. Can you tell me what are your guidance to a student who is unable to clear CA in multiple attempts and is, willing to give one last try? What is the thing that you would suggest to them?
Everything is within us, and we should just concentrate on the book we have, and we should place trust on the book and just follow it. That's it, sir.
Oh,
We
wow, that's so
shouldn't
sweet.
depend on. We should do two, three orders. We should cover those many. It's not recommended, sir.
It's not recommended. But I think it is very interesting for me कि यार 2023-24 में कोर्स खत्म कर लेना. I think one of the rarest students I have met doing that. And I think does it not bring pressure towards the end? क्या आप बोर नहीं हो जाते कि यार बहुत पढ़ लिया 2 साल से यही पढ़ रहे हैं अभी लास्ट में फिर से पढ़ने बोर नहीं हुए थे आप लास्ट लास्ट में बोर हो
Yes,
गए
sir.
थे.
I was really bored, and I thought, yes, sir. Even to read, I didn't get motivation, but somehow I completed.
So what is that one mistake if you get a chance to do it all again? What is that one thing you would want to do better? Okay, okay, okay. So I keep telling this that in the first revision, cover everything that you can. Because if you forget to cover something in the first revision, you will not be able to do it in the second revision. So I keep telling students that they should cover everything in the first revision. But I think, Hamza, because of the internet issue, the content that I want from you, the type of, I think my voice is also coming a little late to you, right? Yeah, I can see that.
Yes, sir.
बट एनी वे आई थिंक दैट्स ओके दैट देयर इज एन इंटरनेट इशू बट ब्रॉडली दोस्तों जो मुझे इनके कॉल से जो मुझे एक चीज समझ आई कि बच्चे का वेरिएशन बहुत है कुछ बच्चे एग्जाम के 1 महीने पर पहले पढ़ के भी पास हो रहे हैं कुछ बच्चे एग्जाम के 6 6 महीने पढ़ के पहले भी पास हो रहे हैं और ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप एकदम ही पूरा पढ़ाई 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 में घुस गए तो रैंक आ गई या एकदम ही पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो तो रैंक नहीं आई तो बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल मार्केट है आप अपना पाथ आपको डिसाइड कर सकते हो चीजें जो आपको समझनी पड़ेगी जो मुझे अच्छा लगा वट एवर बुक यू हैव ट्रस्ट द ऑथर ट्रस्ट द बुक डू नॉट जंप हियर एंड देयर जस्ट स्टिक टू वन प्लेस study a lot and you have to like she very clearly said everything is within us that is a big thing was that your motivational line Hamsa for throughout the session throughout the journey was that your motivational line
Sir. We can do anything if we aim it.
we can do anything if we aim it. So yeah, so I think everything is within us. That's the whole point, guys. तो इसके beyond आप लोग अपनी एक strategy बनाओ, आप लोग उस तरीके से पढ़ाई करो, execute करो, and you're going to see the best result provided you provide your best effort, right? Any one-liner last message for students, Hamza,
Yes.
and then we wrap this session.
Any last line? It means
Take
we
your time,
should
no
not
problem.
topic
We should not.
overlook the topic. Right from the first, we should make highlight points.
Okay.
And
Okay, perfect. Don't get nervous. Don't
after
worry.
this,
Yeah, tell me.
I went to the next sum.
That was a
I know
mistake.
the sum. Yes, sir, because of that mistake.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
allocated 5 minutes for that sum, sir. First 2 minutes I have done the wrong. During the
Yeah.
third minute, I have realized it as correct.
Yeah.
Correct procedure I remember. I
Now
have
you.
done those three,
Yeah.
and then I have went to the next sum.
Oh.
The learning
Uh,
from here is during while reading the question, we should spend some more 10 seconds or 15 seconds extra, and
so
we
that you
should.
don't end up doing the wrong solution. Right. 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 Okay. Okay. Perfect, Hamza. I think that's it. I think that's a very beautiful thing, and I think students, everyone, I have to tell you that this is going to be your attempt. Please इसको positively पढ़ो, अच्छे से पढ़ो, and I'm sure you're going to nail it. And thank you so much, Hamza, for your time, and keep wishing you all the very best for your upcoming projects and upcoming interviews and everything. All the very best. Do well. Stay in touch, okay? And I'll see you all again. Thank you guys जिन्होंने देखा. आप लोगों का क्या लर्निंग था इसको कमेंट पे जरूर बताना और मैं मिलूंगा आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Until then, take care, study well, keep going. This is your CA buddy Shubham Singhal signing off. Bye bye.